Hey everyone, so my name is George. This project is a profit calculator designed for small business owners. The goal was to create a simple tool to manage multiple businesses, track daily transactions, and automatically calculate revenue, tax, and profit without needing spreadsheets or any complicated software. So here is the main dashboard. You can see all of your businesses in one place. You can add a new business. You could click onto it to edit or delete the business. You all of the data is saved automatically, so when you close and reopen the application, everything loads right back to where you left off. And I'll add a business so you can see how it works. So, business name, businessman. It's a sales business, and I'll change the state to New Jersey. I originally had the tax rate automatically update in correspondence to the state that you chose, but I figured it would be better off to just let the user input that themselves due to, tax rates changing and things like that. So, gray, save. As you can see, businessman is right here. And let's go to the business details and transactions. So we go right here. As you can see, inside each business, I can log every transaction, whether it's a sale or a service. The system will automatically calculate the revenue and tax based off of the state or zero if gray market. I can right click any transaction to edit or delete it. So I can edit right here. So let's say Mel. I can change it to Melly. Okay. Um, so this makes managing profit a lot easier compared to doing manual math or entering formulas in Excel. All you have to do is just input the amount that you made. So for example, I saw somebody named George and I sold him an item for $80 and it cost me $40 to get this item. Add the transaction, boom, $40 in profit. It adds up the total. If I want, I can change to the specific date that I want. So let's say I want to see what I made in November. I can change this to reports and I could change it to week right here. And I can go to the week date of November. So let's go back to November 26 right here. So what did I make that week? Calculate. Oops, I went to October. November 26. What did I make that week? $75, which was right here. That's all I made that week. So let's go back to the 18th. Calculate $100. Why did I make $100 that week? Because of 50 and 50 right here. So it calculates exactly what I made per week. The week starts on a Monday because that's the work week. So I decided to make the week start on Monday. I can see what I made for the entire year. So I could change it to 2025, calculate 215, or I could check just the month of December. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for that. So every business and transaction is written to a text file in the background, so everything is preserved permanently, even if the program is closed. So I can close this, load it back up. As you can see, everything is still here. And that is pretty much it. So throughout the build, I ran into several challenges. When the transactions were sorted, at first I had to make it so that it shows that from the latest date and on. So when I did that, for some reason, anytime I would go to edit something, it would show a completely different client. So I had to fix that. Um, Another issue was this pop-up window. I had it so that this pop-up window is in front of everything. So when I was doing this to make it a maximum of 5 or 4, this was behind everything, so I couldn't press it. And then I couldn't press any of this, so I had to use task managers to shut it down. So that was like a last minute bug that I had to fix. But overall, this app keeps tracking financials simple, accurate, and easy to manage. It saves time, reduces errors, and keeps everything organized in one place for small business owners and freelancers. That's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you very much.